today we are going to discuss 10th class maths question paper. Uh, it is from District Common Education Examination Board, Mahabubnagar Weekly Test 4. So in this paper we have total 3 sections: very short answer type questions, short answer type questions, and long answer type questions. So first section, first question. So this is weekly test 4. (2023-24) academic year. Those who are going to write public examination in March 2024. So for them, so these questions are most important. So you should practice them. So weekly we can discuss one paper. So first question, express cos theta in terms of tan theta. Cos theta in terms of tan theta. We have to express cos theta value in terms of theta. So let us see solution. So cos theta can be written as 1 by sec theta. Since sec theta is a reciprocal of cos, vice versa also. So next 1 by the sec theta can be written as under root 1 plus tan square theta. Square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Since we have second identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta is equal to, we can write 1 plus tan square theta by transportation. Then sec theta can be written as square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So instead of sec theta, we can write under root 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the cos theta term. So we can express it in this tan theta terms as 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, next let's go for second problem. So I will read the question. For what positive value of A, the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So let us see equations, linear equations. Here given as ax plus 3 minus of a minus 3 is equal to 0. Second linear equation is 12x plus ay minus a is equal to 0. Students, if you see here in the question, one condition is given, so that these pair of linear equations, they have infinitely many solutions. So do you know when we get infinitely many solutions? So when the lines are, when we draw graph, when the lines are coincided, so we get many solutions. So in this case, what is the algebraic expression? So do you know? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the formula. So algebraic notation of when the linear equations have many solutions. Then let us substitute these values. Here A1 by A2 is nothing but A by 12 is equal to B1 by B2, 3 by A is equal to C1 by C2 minus of A minus 3 by minus A. We can cancel A minus minus, and so we can consider these two terms or these two terms. So let us consider these two terms. So by cross multiplication, a into a square is equal to 12 3 is 36. So we get a square is equal to 36 and a is equal to square root of 36. Therefore, a value we get plus or minus 6. So at a plus or minus 6, plus 6 and minus 6, we get so many solutions for these linear equations, pair of linear equations. So did you understand? Next, third question. So very short answer type questions. Third question. Find the value of x. So let us draw the diagram here. They had given as find the value of x. We have to find x value in the adjacent figure. In triangle PQR, LM is parallel to PQ. This line is parallel to this PQ. Then PL is equal to x. PL value, this length is x. LR is equal to x minus 2. Next QM is equal to x plus 2. And MR is equal to x minus 1. So in this case, we have to find x value. So do you know, in a triangle, if a line is parallel to one side of the triangle, then the line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So that is, so we get here PL by LR is equal to QM by MR by basic proportionality theorem. PL by LR is equal to, by basic proportionality theorem, in this triangle PQR, LM is parallel to PQ. Therefore, we can write PL by LR is equal to QM by MR. Next, PL value given as x by LR, x minus 2 is equal to QM, x plus 2, and MR given as x minus 1. So we need to find x value here. So let us do cross multiplication. X into x minus 1 is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 2. So x into x square minus x is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 2, we can write as x square minus 4. Then we can cancel same terms. So in this equation, so minus x is equal to minus 4, minus minus cancel, therefore x equal to, we get 4. So they asked what is the value of x, then the value of x equal to 4. So by this question, so first section is completed. Next to go for section 2. Section 2. So total we have 2 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. So we get 8 marks here. So fourth question. Write the formula to find out the mode of the grouped data and explain each term of it. So here mode formula. Mode is denoted by Z bar. Mode formula for grouped data. So do you know? So that is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula to find out the mode of the data for grouped data. So here we have to explain the terms. What is Z bar here? Mode of group data. Then what is L? L indicates lower boundary of the model class. Lower boundary value of the model class. So what is F1? So frequency value of the model class. So do you know what is F0? So frequency of preceding class of the model class. So here F2. So similarly frequency of succeeding class of the model class. So last H indicates size of the class. So this is fourth question. So next go for fifth question. So they asked the fifth question in this probability chapter. So if two dice are thrown at the same time, find the probability of getting same number on top faces on the both dice. Second question, sum of the numbers on top faces of both dice is a perfect square. So do you know when we roll two dice, so we get total 6 square, 36 outcomes. So how many faces will be in a dice? 6 faces will be there. 6 faces. So we thrown 2 times or 2 dice. So we get total 36. 6 square equal to 36 outcomes. You should remember this. Then let us draw the what are the 36 outcomes. So total outcomes. So when we throw 2 dice at a time, then the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 1, 1, here 1, 2, 1, 3. On first phase, on first dice we get 1. Next on second dice also we get 1. So otherwise if we get 1 in the first dice, so we get 2 in the second dice. Similarly 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These are total 36 outcomes when we throw 2 dice at a time randomly. Then what is the question? Question A. Same number on top face of both dice. Same number. So how many favorable outcomes are there? So this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So we get same number on 2 dice in the top face. So do you know what is the formula? Probability of getting number. P of S is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes total we get 6. By total number of outcomes 36, 6 1 the 6 6 the. So answer is 1 by 6. Same number on 2 dice. So that probability is 1 by 6. Then second question, in the same question, B question, sum of the numbers on top faces of both dice is perfect square. So where we get perfect square, sum on 2 dices. So then, so here 1 3, 1 plus 3 4. So 4 is perfect square. Then next to 16, 4, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 9. Where we get 9? 5 plus 4, 9. So 4 plus 5 also 9. So here this one, and this one. Next 2, 1 we cannot get it. 2 square value 4, 3 square 9 we get here. And next 4 square 16. 16. Where we get 16? 6 plus 6 highest we can get 6 plus 6 12 only. We cannot get 16. 16 is the next after 9. 16 is the next perfect square number. So that is why. So favorable outcomes. Here 2 plus 2 4. Here we get it. So next 3 plus 3 6 not. 9 we get here 9. 3 plus 6 9. 6 plus 3 9. Yes, here also. Next 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 5 10. Not perfect square. 6 plus 1 6 plus 2 10. 10 no. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 are there. So probability of getting perfect square is equal to 6 by total outcomes 36. 6 on the 6 6 answer 1 by 6. So we get same answers in these two questions, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Next is section 3. In this section 3 is regarding of long questions. So we have total one question only. It is out of 20 marks paper. 1 6 are 6. So highest we get 6 marks for each question. So here we have one choice. So section 3 they had given total 2 questions. We have to attempt only one only. So each question carries 6 marks. So sixth question, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. So let us draw rough diagram, rough sketch. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and construct a pair of tangents from a point 6.5 centimeter away from the center. So the distance between center to the outer point is 6.5 centimeters, and we have to draw 2 tangents. So these are the PA comma PB are 2 tangents. Lengths will be same. So that is a rough sketch. Next to go for actual diagram. First we have to draw. Orientation is locked. Rotate device back. Next actual diagram, we have to draw one circle. So radius is 3 centimeters. So we have to draw. Here O is the center, and you have to adjust 3 centimeter distance in the compass, and so by fixed point of this O, we have to draw one circle 3 centimeter with a 3 centimeter radius, and we have to draw one line segment. This is a 6.5 centimeter length from outer point. The distance between O to P is 6.5 centimeters by the help of ruler, and now we have to construct a perpendicular bisector for this line segment. So when you are going to construct a perpendicular bisector, so we have to adjust the radius in this compass more than half of in this line segment. So from P, we have to put first a metal point, first P, and we have to construct one arc and upwards of the line segment, and as well as downwards of the line segment. Next, change the metal point from P to O and construct by the same radius one more arc to cut the previous arc, and downwards also. So then we get perpendicular bisector. So consider by xy. So it will intersect OP at M. Consider M. Then by the help of this M, now, so this is the center. As center M, we have to construct one circle. So as radius OM is equal to MP. So like this. Then it will intersect, the new circle will intersect the previous circle at two distinct points. So consider by them A and B, and by the help of ruler we have to join this AP and PB. Then join by OA and OB with the dotted line also. Then required tangents are P and PB. So PA comma PB are required tangents. So how we constructed? So similarly, so we have to write construction steps also. Steps from 1 to at least we have to write 1 to 8 points, 6 to 8 points. We have to write 6 to 8 points. Next, last question, 7th question. So just we have to attempt only one only, but they will give so one choice. So last question in this paper. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Rough sketch first. So here circle, the radius is 4 centimeters, and construct a pair of tangents to the circle such that angle between them is 60 degrees. So here they mentioned two angles, two tangents between angle is 60 degrees. So consider it is P, it is O. So this is a dotted line A, B, PA comma PB are two tangents. So here did not mention the distance between center to the point. So first we have to draw, first we have to find out the center, the distance between O to P, center to the point. So by the help of solution. So actual diagram. So before that, first, so we have to do small solution to find out the distance between center to the point. Do you know here we get 90 degrees. 90 degrees at a contact point in the circle. So then OAP is a right triangle. Here I will construct that. A, this is P, this is O. So then OP becomes this is D, distance between. So it becomes hypotenuse. hypotenuse. Then this is the already they had given the radius is 4. So this is 4. So this is tangent, length of tangent. So they did not give, don't know what is L also. So we need to find out L value, but we need the distance between the center to the point. So then here they total the angle between two tangents is 60 degrees. So it will intersect, it will bisect as 30-30. Here we get 30 degrees. By taking sine ratio, opposite by hypotenuse, OA by OP expresses sine theta. So OA by OP is equal to sine theta. So OA 4 centimeters by OP did not give. Sine theta value 30 degrees, sine 30. So 4 by OP is equal to sine 30 value 1 by 2. Therefore by cross multiplication OP we get 8 centimeters. So we get this total length is 8 centimeters. By taking 8 centimeter line segments, so O it is P 8 centimeters. Then we have to construct one circle. So the radius is 4 centimeters. And similarly, in the previous case we constructed, no? So we have to construct one perpendicular bisector. So like this. So more than taking radius more than half of in this line segment, and we have to construct one perpendicular bisector. It will intersect at PM, and by the help of this M, we have to draw one circle. So like this. Then it will intersect at two distinct points, such are A comma B. So we have to join P and PB also. Then PA comma this PB are required tangents to the circle. So this is weekly test 4, so which is prepared by DCEB Mahabubnagar. So we can meet again in the next week, weekly test 5. Thank you.